You guys still got a little water?
Poquita.
Just a little, poquita, sí. Luis, ¿es posible en mi cámara?
Okay.
Es mi nuevo amigo, Luis. Nosotros escuchamos BTS y Bad Bunny. Hablamos español para practicar. Es mi amigo.
Bueno, número uno.
Gracias, Luis. All right, it was a slow start to the morning after a very long physical day yesterday. Right now we're gonna head to a new beach to try it out. Luis, that I just showed you, was actually telling me places to go to, and also very adamant on me not being outside during New Year's because they will be shooting guns in the air. So right now, we're gonna get in the car, and then after we go to the beach, we're gonna go to Lechon Highway. Oh shit, I have to open it. All right, we made it to Isla Verde, courtesy of Luis. A little cloudy today, but that's all right. Still people out on the beach trying to enjoy their time here. Hopefully it doesn't pour on us, and we're just gonna do this before we go to Lechon Highway. All right, we just drove like 45 minutes through to get to La Ruta de Lechon, aka Lechon Highway.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, we got the first one. We got some pork, blood sausage, and some rice and beans. Oh, look at that. Blood sausage.
Allan gagged, we got it on camera. This is the guy who won't eat empanadas anymore because he thinks that Raul.
It's better than the other one that I had.
What do you have in Spain?
No, Fort Lauderdale.
Everything. So nice.
All right, that was stop number 1 at Lechonera Los Amigos. Very good. I'm so hungry that I just wanted to stay there, but we have 3 miles of Lechon that we have to get through, so let's get back to the car. All right, we're at the second stop. This is El Mojito. Oh. All right, this is the second stop, El Mojito. All right, round number 2. Alright, that was El Mojito. It was good. I like the first one better. This one's a little too oily, but it had vinegar, so I got a bunch of it. So we're going to the next one, and that's going to be Lechon Bruni. Lechonera Bruni. Dr. Lechon. They're actually out. What kind of doctor runs out of medicine? So yeah, they're out. We're gonna go to the next one. Hopefully there's more lechon. We've been told that at this hour they could be out. Yeah, we're hitting that zone time. All right, we're at the next location, Los Pinos, and the place got pretty foggy out here, so it's getting crazy to drive, but all for lechon. So we're gonna try this one. A lot of them are actually closing right now because that's the time of the day that all the places close. So hopefully we can get a few more, but if anything, we'll go back to the first one because so far that was our favorite. This place is no up. We got vinegar and garlic, but then we got this. We got this shot. Consumer. This spot got blessed by the goat Bourdain. We even got the polpo ceviche. We gotta pour one out for the goat Bourdain. I don't want to be disrespectful to this restaurant, so I'm gonna do it to my mouth. You know I'll do it right here. I'll pour one for the holy Tony. Guess where we at, bro? Los Pinos. Los Pinos. Here's where all the pig would be, if I had any. All that's left after a day's work, right? So we are currently in a horror movie of Lechon. We thought we knew where we were going. Now we're in this.
Give Kim the camera.
Oh my god.
There's a car coming.
Oh, there's a car coming, Tina.
Okay, well then why are you still holding your camera? Give me that.
I
think it's a street lamp. Oh, yeah, shit. There's a big, yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
My tire just went out.
Oh my god. This road is tiny.
I have to try to go back up this with this small, tiny.
Right.
Is this it?
No. Another one. This might be another house. Oh my god, we need to get out of this person's property.
Comes out with a shotgun. Yeah, I was just thinking.
Some Losto. We really just wanted Lechon.
There's a fucking road.
There was one road that we had to follow,
So you want me to go right now, right?
and somehow we're lost.
It's been 3 days.
This looks like a forest.
Actually, you could have gone that way too. It says.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Calle Las Gomez.
Whoa, they're talking at the same time now.
Holy shit, we're in Jurassic Park right now.
Seriously. That looks like a wall, not a road.
I really hope that this connects because I don't think.
We ended up on this road.
Oh, Google Maps, you know, the regular murdering us. He's like, finally, I got you guys, but you're full of fucking Lechon. Now I get to fucking kill you.
That house isn't creepy at all.
Turn left onto Calle Las Gomez.
Oh, look at that. That's scary as fuck. Take a picture of that.
Wait, there's a few. Ew, oh my god. Ew, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't know that. Oh my god. I don't know if I got it. I hope I got it.
my god. Where do you want me to go now?
I'm afraid to.
It says
left. Down.
Yeah, this is right.
down left.
I'm afraid to turn
Just
around.
get closer and see your
Basura. Why does it look like we're going deeper into the forest? It's Route 184. That little scarecrow thing was so scary.
Really
Now everything's scary. Tree limbs again.
In 200 meters, merge onto Puerto Rico 184.
Oh, thank you. Yes. Okay, we're back. Oh, that's
That's
that
the
it?
bar. That's the bar that we passed by.
Oh, this is the one we pulled into and they're like gonna help us.
Yeah.
Okay, that means we're close.
All right, we made it out of the mountain. Tina was scared the entire time. Especially when that scarecrow came through. Dude, that was crazy. But we're back here at Lechoneria Los Amigos to get some lechon for the road. Back where we started.
So that's different. Tender to
We're back at the Airbnb.
Okay.
We got
Tender.
some delicious lechon
Juicy.
after the whole thing.
Flavor, we're still saying flavorful.
Right now we're trying to see what our favorite lechon was. Because there were so many before we almost died. So that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Finished watching Fate of the Furious. What did you think, guys? Amazing. Amazing. He named the bride. Oh my god. Oh my god. And now we are ready for New Year's tomorrow because it's 12 o'clock. So we're gonna get some rest. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bang.